Okay, so let us look at this question, and we are required to find the complete solution to this equation. Right, so to find the complete solution, there are three cases that we must consider. The first one is that you have x squared minus 5x plus 5 all raised to power x squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 1. So for the whole of the left hand side, right, for the whole of the left hand side to be equal to 1, it means that the first is that the exponent is equal to 1. Yes, because anything raised to power 0 gives us 1. So it is either the exponent is equal to 0, or case 2, for us to have 1, right, the base is 1, because 1 raised to power anything, 1 raised to power n gives us 1. This is the base here, this is the base, and this is the exponent. Exactly. So case 2 is that the base must be 1, so we have 1 here. And case 3 is that the base must be what? Negative 1, right? And have what? It has even power, that is 2, 1 raised to power 4, 1 raised to power 6, like that, because whenever you have an even power, you get 1. So we'll be considering these three cases, and we'll be checking, we'll be verifying after getting our solutions to know whether it falls within the solution of this whole equation. So case 1, the exponent is equal to 0. So the exponent is x squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0, right? Yes, that is the case 1. The exponent, this is our exponent. So the exponent is equal to 0. So let us solve this by factoring the quadratic equation. So we are trying to look for the values of 1 times 20, which is 20. So values of 20 or factors of 20 that when you multiply it gives us 20, and when you add it gives us minus 9. We can see that minus 4 and minus 9 fit into this condition. So we have that x squared minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now you can see minus 4 minus 5 gives us minus 9, while minus 4 times minus 5 gives us 20. So let us group them. So factorize x as x minus 4 minus, what is common here? 5 is common. So x factorize minus 5, be left with x minus, because by the time you open this bracket, you'll be left with plus. So minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 4 is common. Let us factorize. So x minus 4 times x minus 5 is equal to 0. So which implies that x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 5. Exactly now. So to verify this, right, to verify we must put these values 4 and 5 inside the base. The base is x squared minus 5x plus 5. Yes, it must not give us 0. Exactly now. So let us put it here. If x is equal to 4, then 4 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised times 4 plus 5, that will be 16 minus 20 plus 5, and this is equal to 1. Yes, it's not equal to 0. So x raised to power 4 is valid, is a solution. Now, if x is equal to 5, then we have 5 squared minus 5 times 5, right, plus 5. So that's 25 minus 25 plus 5, and that's what? 5. And this is not equal to 0. So it means that x equal to 5 is also a solution. So we have two solutions now. We have 4 and we have x equal to 5. But is that all? No. So let us go to case 2. Alright, case 2 says that the base is equal to 1. So let's consider case 2. Case 2, the base is what? is equal to 1. So the base is x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1. So subtract 1 from both sides, right? Yes, this is basic algebra. So subtract 1 from both sides. Then we have x squared minus 5x plus 5 minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1. And we have x squared minus 5x plus 4, right, is equal to 0. So let us factorize this too. Then let's look for factors of 4, right? That when we had to give us minus 5 and we multiply to give us 4. So we can see from here that is minus 1 and what? And minus 4. So we have x squared minus x minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, because minus x minus 4x is 5, minus 1 times minus 5 will give you minus 4 rather give you 4. So let us group them and factorize. So we can see that x is common in both sides. So we have x times x minus 1, right? And 4 is also common here. Let us factorize minus 4. We have 4 times x minus 1, because by the time you open this bracket, you have plus back. So equal to 0. So you can see x minus 1, x minus 4 is common here. You have x minus 1, right, times x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have x minus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So which means that x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 4. Now we already confirmed, right, that 4 is a solution in this place, right? So the only new solution we have now is x equal to 1, exactly now. So case 3 shows that the base is negative 1 and what's an even exponent. Alright, an even exponent. Exactly. So let us see. The base is x squared minus 5x plus 5, right, is what? Negative 1. So let us try. Now, that will be having x squared minus 5x plus 5, then bring this one here, plus 1 equal to 0. That's x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So factorizing this like the method we have been using, you see that this is x squared minus 2x minus 5 minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, if you look at it, you have minus 2 minus 3 gives us 5. Minus 2 times minus 3 gives us 6. So we're on the right track. So let us group and factorize. So what is common here is x. So we have x times x minus 2. Then what is common here, you can see that 3 is common here. So if you bring out 3, that's factorizing. You have x. Now this one also tends toward minus, because by the time you open this bracket, you have plus back. Alright. 2 equal to 0. So because 3 times 2 is 6. Right, so minus 3 times minus 2 will give us 6. So that's going to, this is common to this, x minus 2 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 3. Now we must also confirm, we said that the the exponent is what? Is even. Now the exponent is what? X squared, right? X squared minus 9x plus 20. So we are going to be putting these two values to check whether it is even. Now if x is equal to 2, then we have 2 raised by 2 times 9 raised by 9 times 2 plus 20. Alright, so that's 4 minus 18 plus 20, and that is 6. Yes, it is 6 is an even number. Exactly. So which means that yes, x equal to 2 is a solution, is valid. Now, if x is equal to 3, right? So that's 3 squared minus 9 times 3 plus 20, and that's going to be 9 minus 27 plus 20, and that will be 2. Now, since 2 is also even, all right, it means that x equal to 3 is also a solution, is valid. Yeah, is also a solution to this um, equation. So combining all the answers together, we have x raised to the power 4. Sorry, we have x equal to 4, x equal to 5. We have x equal to 1, all right? So, and we have x equal to 3 and 2, exactly. So, going back to this, you see that, sorry, you see that the set of solution to this equation is x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the set, this is the complete set of values, yes, for x. So thank you. If you don't understand, please kindly go through the video again and make sure you like, comment, and share.